Residential window replacement in Richland Hills TX delivers immediate value for homeowners who want better comfort, lower bills, and stronger curb appeal. From vinyl window replacement and double-pane window replacement to triple-pane windows and insulated window systems, the right upgrade improves insulation and reduces outside noise. Local homeowners searching for home window replacement, house window installation, or full window replacement often choose energy-efficient windows Richland Hills for year-round performance in the DFW climate. With modern window styles, weather-resistant windows, and soundproof windows, properties in Richland Hills, North Richland Hills, Hearst, and Greater Tarrant County can enjoy a cleaner look and better efficiency with one smart improvement. Many homeowners also pair these upgrades with replacement doors Richland Hills to complete a cohesive exterior update. Window replacement Richland Hills TX is especially effective when old frames, cracked seals, or fogged glass begin affecting daily comfort. Window frame replacement, window glass replacement, and window installation and replacement services help restore function while improving security and appearance. Home window installation. Richland Hills projects often include custom window installation for unique openings, along with residential glass installation for bathrooms, kitchens, and living areas. Whether the job calls for old window replacement, new construction windows, or replacement windows near Fort Worth, a trusted residential window company Richland Hills can match the right style to the home's architecture and energy goals. Vinyl windows Richland Hills TX remain a top choice for durability, low maintenance, and strong thermal performance. Homeowners seeking affordable windows Richland Hills TX often compare vinyl window replacement with double-pane windows Richland Hills and insulated replacement windows DFW to balance price and savings. Energy-efficient windows. Richland Hills help reduce HVAC strain in hot Texas summers and cooler winter months, while weather-resistant windows add long-term protection against wind, rain, and heat. For families wanting a modern update without constant upkeep, vinyl replacement options offer dependable performance across residential window replacement projects in the Richland Hills area. Adding replacement doors Richland Hills alongside these upgrades can further enhance both efficiency and curb appeal. Custom window replacement North Richland Hills is ideal for homes with specialty openings or design-focused upgrades. Bay window replacement, picture window replacement, awning window replacement, casement window replacement, and sliding window replacement can each transform natural light, ventilation, and exterior character. Home improvement windows Richland Hills often combine style with function, giving homeowners better views and improved airflow. For properties needing a tailored fit, custom window installation ensures precision, while modern window styles enhance both traditional and contemporary homes throughout Richland Hills, North Richland Hills, and neighboring Metroplex communities. Window contractors Richland Hills TX provide more than basic installation. They help homeowners choose the best materials, glass packages, and frame options for long-term results. Local window installers Richland Hills handle everything from residential glass replacement Richland Hills to window glass installation Richland Hills TX, making it easier to address damage quickly. Window installers in Richland Hills can also recommend house windows Tarrant County residents prefer for durability and curb appeal. For those comparing the best window replacement in Richland Hills, working with experienced professionals ensures accurate measurements, clean installation, and dependable service from start to finish. Replacement windows near Fort Worth are in high demand because homeowners want better insulation, improved aesthetics, and lower utility costs. Double-pane windows. Richland Hills and triple-pane windows both provide stronger thermal separation, while insulated window systems support better indoor comfort throughout the year. Energy-efficient windows Richland Hills and insulated replacement windows DFW are especially valuable in homes exposed to direct sun and seasonal temperature swings. When evaluating window upgrade services Richland Hills area, many property owners choose options that combine performance, noise reduction, and weather resistance for a practical long-term investment. Homeowners often search for residential window company Richland Hills because they want reliable service, local expertise, and strong product selection. Richland Hills residential windows can be customized for ranch homes, brick homes, and updated suburban properties, while new windows Richland Hills, Texas bring fresh style and stronger performance to aging structures. Window replacement near Hearst TX and North Richland Hills window services often include assessments for seals, frames, and glass condition before recommending residential window replacement. From replacement doors Richland Hills to matched window and door upgrades, these improvements can create a more unified exterior and better indoor comfort. House window installation done correctly can change how a home feels every day. Full window replacement, residential glass installation, and window upgrade services help eliminate drafts, improve sound control, and increase the life of the home's exterior envelope. Homeowners in Richland Hills looking for replacement windows, home window replacement, or residential window replacement often prioritize energy savings, low maintenance, and long-term value. With choices like sliding window replacement, casement window replacement, bay window replacement, and picture window replacement, the right solution can fit nearly any layout. For trusted window replacement Richland Hills TX, the best results come from local professionals who understand the needs of Metroplex residential window replacement projects and deliver durable, attractive, efficient windows. Residential window replacement in Richland Hills TX delivers immediate improvements in comfort, curb appeal, and efficiency. Home window replacement with energy-efficient windows, double-pane window replacement, triple-pane windows, and insulated window systems helps reduce drafts, lower utility bills, and modernize older homes across Richland Hills, North Richland Hills, Hearst, and Greater Tarrant County. Homeowners looking for vinyl window replacement, old window replacement, or full window replacement can upgrade to weather-resistant windows, soundproof windows, and modern window styles that fit both traditional and contemporary properties in the DFW Metroplex. Window replacement. Richland Hills TX services are ideal for homeowners comparing affordable windows Richland Hills TX, best window replacement in Richland Hills, and local window installers Richland Hills. Residential window company. Richland Hills professionals handle residential glass replacement Richland Hills, window glass replacement, window frame replacement, and window installation and replacement with precision. Whether you need house windows Tarrant County, replacement windows near Fort Worth, or window replacement near Hearst TX, trusted window contractors Richland Hills TX can provide fast, reliable solutions tailored to your home, budget, and style. Custom window installation and house window installation offer flexibility for unique layouts, new additions, and remodels. From casement window replacement and sliding window replacement to picture window replacement, bay window replacement, and awning window replacement, the right design can enhance ventilation, natural light, and exterior beauty. New construction windows and replacement window services in Richland Hills support home improvement windows Richland Hills projects, while custom window replacement North Richland Hills gives homeowners options for sizing, trim, and performance in one seamless upgrade. Energy-efficient windows Richland Hills and vinyl windows Richland Hills TX remain top choices for homeowners seeking durability and long-term savings. Double-pane windows Richland Hills and insulated replacement windows DFW help regulate indoor temperatures through hot Texas summers and cooler winter months. Window upgrade services. Richland Hills area, residential glass installation, and home window installation Richland Hills can improve comfort while matching the architectural needs of residential window replacement projects across Richland Hills residential windows, North Richland Hills window services, and Metroplex residential window replacement jobs. Window installers in Richland Hills deliver dependable results for homeowners needing new windows Richland Hills, Texas, window glass installation Richland Hills TX, or residential glass replacement. From window upgrade services to full residential window replacement, experienced window contractors Richland Hills TX can recommend the right solution for each property. Replacement doors Richland Hills can also complement house windows, creating a unified exterior upgrade. For property owners seeking premium performance, residential glass installation, window replacement Richland Hills TX, and energy-efficient windows Richland Hills provide lasting value in the local market. Upgrading with replacement doors. Richland Hills alongside window improvements helps complete the exterior while boosting efficiency and style.